Keratin Complex Travel Valet Care Kit by Keratin 4. Keratin Complex Travel Valet Care Kit developed to provide a gentle cleansing that will not diminish the precious nutrients of healthy hair. This sodium chloride-free formula is recommended for dry, chemically overprocessed or damaged hair. Savannah Bee Company Your Majesty Travel Kit. The Savannah Bee Company Your Majesty Travel Kit is perfect for the queen bee on the go. Each travel kit includes travel-size hydrating shampoo and conditioner, an original formula royal jelly body butter mini and a beeswax and propolis Earl Grey lip balm. All these travel-size Savannah Bee products are contained in a sweet burlap case with zipper closure, perfect for tossing into a suitcase, carry-on bag or even your purse. Don't leave the hive without it. Samantha Brown 6-piece Travel Survival Kit Burgundy. Never fret about storing laundry and other important items when you travel. This smart kit features bags to keep you organized while on the go. What a great way to have a place for everything and everything in its place. What You Get Crossbody Bag Clear Pouch Double-Sided Laundry Cube Removable Mesh Bag Set of 2 Laundry Stowaway Bags features water-resistant exterior material self-repairing zippers Specifications Crossbody Measurements T approximate 8L x714WX12H weight T approximate 0.44 pounds. Handles T adjustable, removable shoulder strap clear pouch measurements T approximate 9L x812W laundry cubes measurements T approximate 14L x10W x 4.7H expandable T no weight T approximate 0.81 pounds. Closure T diagonal zippers handles T carry strap removable mesh bag measurements T approximate 9L x13W closure T zipper laundry stowaway bag measurements T approximate 1512L x13W x112H, 1634L x11W x112H closure T zipper the basics color, burgundy hardware T gold tone exterior T nylon microfiber interior T 210D printed polyester. 24 new OPCC high quality, empty multiple colors cosmetic containers 5. I purchased these cute little plastic containers for my daughters. They are always making some sort of cosmetic items or taking kitchen ingredients to use for some cosmetic purpose. We never have enough small containers to hold all the ingredients and concoctions. I did originally think these containers were a little bit bigger than they are. They are only a little bigger in diameter than a quarter. However, they will work very nicely for the purpose of gift-giving small amounts of homemade cosmetics and storing small amounts of ingredients. Maybe now, I won't find so much of my healthy food products in the bathroom where they are being used for skin treatments and hair masks. Hopefully, now they will only take the amount really needed. If you have any small items to store like beads or glitter, these really are ideal. The containers arrive in a clear plastic bag and are individually wrapped in tiny little plastic bags. This should adequately keep them from getting scratched and looking rough if case you are planning to make homemade products to give as gifts. There are many colors, so if you need to ID by color, you can do that also. I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. Wise Chip Mini Portable Travel Humidifier for Personal Body and. This product was the true definition of mini. This product was so small I really thought it was a joke. My 3-year-old son could hold this in his hand, it was so small. But once you added your own batteries in it, this product was awesome. I love it because I stay very stuffed and congested while I am at work, but with this product I could breathe better. It did not disturb others or get over anybody else but me. I wish that it was a little bit bigger, but overall this is a great product to have. This product is very personal. Only thing I don't like about this product is it does not come with any kind of instructions. Body Love Cosmetic Jars, 12 high-quality jar containers. I received a set of 2 jars from Body Love. The containers have a 4 ounces capacity and come with a removable inner liner and a dome-shaped lid. The advertisement states they are made in the USA, but I cannot verify that based on the way they came to me. These are the perfect containers for the home crafter. The price point is much better on the larger volume of bottles. My dog has been having really dry skin, so I used one of these jars to make her a moisturizing body butter. Here's my recipe for my dog's butter: 1 ounce shea butter, 1 2-ounce cocoa butter, 1 2-ounce jojoba oil, 1 4-ounce sea buckthorn oil, 1 8-ounce tamanu oil, 20 drops of lavender essential oil. I love to use plastic jars so they don't break on my tile floors. I would recommend these to anyone who likes DIY projects. It's nice to have a 2-pack, but the pricing is too high, so I would recommend purchasing the larger volume. You can use these for many different projects and save a lot of money by making your own products. I received this product in exchange for an honest and unbiased review. I do not guarantee 5-star reviews unless the product is one I would buy again and or recommend to friends. I like to test out products that I typically would purchase at full price so I can provide a review based on a real trial. My comments and opinions are based on my experience with the product. I hope sharing my experience and writing this review helps you with your purchase decision. Beeswax Women's Bomber Travel Jacket. The Beeswax Travel Jacket is the most funded clothing project in the history of crowdfunding. With over 55,000 customers backing the crowdfunding campaigns, Beeswax was featured in 70 publications including CNN Money, Entrepreneur, Inc. magazine. The Beeswax Travel Jacket comes with 15 features, including a neck pillow, eye mask, gloves, stylus pen, tech pockets, and much more. Further note, the blazer and bomber jackets also come with detachable hoods. There are 4 styles of jackets available in both men and women cuts, with a variety of size and color options as well. Get yours now. 15 features for all of your travel needs. Beeswax has solved all your traveler needs by including features that have been missing from other jackets in the past. The most economical and efficiently designed travel jacket on the market today. All Beeswax jackets have a built-in inflatable neck pillow that hidden within the hood of the jacket. Innovative pillow valve technology allows a 2-second inflation and a 1-press deflation. They also come with an eye mask, built-in gloves, earphone holders, neoprene-lined cozy drink pocket, a 10-inch tablet pocket, a water-resistant smartphone pocket, a sunglass holder pocket with a built-in microfiber cloth for cleaning lenses, a passport pocket that accommodates all passport sizes, a zipper which is a telescopic pen, and a stylus, and 2 fleece-lined hand-warming pockets. No matter the occasion, Beeswax has you covered. Need a light windbreaker or something more formal for that business meeting? Beeswax jackets are available in 4 styles: sweatshirts, windbreakers, bombers, and blazers. All 4 styles are offered in a variety of colors and sizes as well. The Swiss Army knife of travel wear. CNN Money. Regardless the time of year, the Beeswax jacket is your perfect travel tool. We have identified and secured the best quality fabric manufacturers who are suppliers to the world's top apparel brands. From coast to coast, short or long distance, school or work, have a jacket style that will fit your needs. What started out as a necessity for one person, turned into one of the most successful crowdfunding projects to date. This was the $1 million idea of Yoganshi Shah and Earl. Eventually their goal is to incorporate their background of electronics and software to create smart apparel, convenience on the go. That is what Yoganshi Shah thought of when her husband, Earl, kept forgetting his neck pillow when he traveled. Initially together they thought maybe an app would work to keep a working packing list. Yoganshi had a brilliant idea of creating a jacket that essentially embodies everything has a place, and everything in its place. The outcome was a functional jacket designed for accessibility and comfort. The Beeswax jacket has 15 features that helps all travelers and people on the go stay organized, with pockets for a tablet, smartphones, sunglasses, and even a drink pocket. To add to the overall functionality, there is space to hold earphones, built-in eye mask, gloves that extend from the sleeves, and comes with a microfiber cloth to keep all eyewear sparkly clear. Of course, it has the built-in neck pillow that will not be left at home again. You likely never heard of a travel jacket before Beeswax, but it's the jacket you always needed but never existed. It is good to have clothing that solves problems you face in your day-to-day life. Are happy that Beeswax is doing that for tens of thousands of customers worldwide. Alarm clock, Onigo LCD clock, slim digital alarm clock. This is a fine alarm clock so far. I have only had it for a month or so, but it works great. The alarm tone gets louder and louder unless you turn it off, which should wake most people. As far as setting it up, very easy, just go to the back of the clock and press the button on the feature you are trying to activate. When I read the reviews before I bought the alarm clock, some people were having trouble setting it up, but it is very easy and took me less than 30 seconds to figure out. After I have had it longer, I will write a follow-up review. With my Prime subscription, it arrived in 2 days. For the price, I would say try it out. P.S. There are similar clocks on Amazon for half the price with the same features, so depending on your budget, I would definitely say buy one. OUAI Wave Spray, travel size, 1.7 ounces. 1.7 ounce. Quiltific date, price, $18.79. B01H3ZQ2N. Image URL Hi-res. Prix de Provence Heart Travel Box. Hearts, wonderful ways to send your warmest wishes. What could be more thoughtful than heart-shaped soaps in soft pastels, gently scented with 2 of nature's favorite fragrances? The soaps are lovingly crafted in heart-shaped molds that have been in the private collection for decades. In camellia or tea rose scents, they're available in an array of lovely gift combinations. Travelon 3 ounces Smart Tubes package of 3. I purchased several of these several years ago, after fighting leaking travel bottles for years. The leaks invariably occur because of pressure changes as the airplane rises from airport to cruise altitude. The bottles have an ingenious valve arrangement which prevents any leakage out of the bottle when the cap is fully down. It really works, and is the only completely effective solution I've ever found. So, the bottle will slowly fill with air on return to lower altitudes, if opened and then closed at a high altitude. But nothing leaves the bottle while the cap is in the sealed position. Your luggage stays clean, and your shampoo, hand cream, or whatever stays in the bottle. An outstanding solution to a chronic travel problem. Conair Travel Smart Adapter Plug. For use with dual voltage appliances for Southern Europe, Middle East, Asia, parts of Africa and the Caribbean. Conair Travel Smart Adapter Plug. For use with dual voltage appliances for Southern Europe, Middle East, Asia, parts of Africa and the Caribbean.